I'm gonna remove my cup. I'm gonna lift that up a little bit, and then hi, it's me again. So on my previous video, I have showed you 1 out of 15 coffee recipes that this DeLonghi coffee machine can make. But today, I'm going to show you the second recipe that this coffee machine can make. So let's get into it. Alright, so as usual, this is the coffee machine. This is the DeLonghi Magnifica Plus coffee machine. First, I'm going to turn on. So it says time for a quick heat up. All right. All right, so the heating up is done. I'm gonna remove this cup. Let's go. Here, there is already milk. All right, now I'm gonna place my cup here. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna change to my profile. There you go, that's my profile. Okay, and then I'm gonna try. On the previous video, I was trying coffee. So this time, I'm gonna try cappuccino. So I have already set my setting, a large size of cup and 4 level of intensity of coffee. So I'm gonna press that. Okay. As you guys can see, you can see the coffee beans, the grinding coffee beans. And now you can see the coffee. Let's see. There you go. Now it does the milk. Oh, look at that. There you go, my cappuccino is done. All right, so what does it say? Place a container under the milk sprout and turn the dial to the clean position. So now we're going to clean the milk spout. I'm gonna remove my cup. I'm gonna lift that up a little bit and then remove it. And now, so I'm gonna put this cup under the milk spout and then you press. Okay, gonna turn that. Now it's done. It says time to empty the grounds container and the dip tray even if not full. It is important to clear out them regularly. Okay, I'm gonna do that. So there you go, it's done. The milk spout is clean. This is my cappuccino. So this is my cappuccino mix, and I forgot to turn on my camera. I already drink half of it. I added 1 teaspoon of sugar and I drink yeah, almost half of of my cappuccino. So cheers. Oh, this is so good. It's so good cappuccino. Okay, bye.